Students, welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all must be fine here. This is your class second science book science quest. Today we will read the chapter number 7 safety. In this chapter we will read about some safety rules and first aid. And in the beginning of the chapter you are watching that there is a question. Do you have a first aid kit in your classroom? So first of all I want to tell you what is the first aid first aid kit. First aid kit is is like a small box that should have an antibiotic cream, Dettol, some cotton wools, band-aid, scissors, etc. And here you have to ask that do you have this kit in your classroom? So you know that you are all on a very long holiday, so try to make this first aid kit in your home and for your family members. Here there is a girl asking what is the meaning of this sign. The boy is telling this is a sign of warning. You must have seen this type of sign where the transformers are set in the city because the electric shock is very dangerous. It gives a sudden feeling of pain and sometimes it can cause of death too. That is why this type of sign is pasted on this type of place. Accidents and injuries can happen when we are not careful. We can stay safe by following some safety rules. Here you are to give some safety rules that you are to follow at home, and you can stay safe by following these rules. You are watching that there is a circle, and in circle there are 7 rules are written and 7 pictures are shown. The first is do not play with matchsticks, knives, blade and scissors. So you should not use this type of things, otherwise your finger can cut or burn. The second is always put your things back after playing or using. So when you are playing and after playing, when your has been finished, then always try to put all the things at their place, because the spread things do not look like tidy. Do not put your fingers into electric sockets. Why you should not put your finger into the electric socket? Because the electric, it can you can get an electric shock that is very painful. Do not touch electric switch with wet hands. Always try to touch the electric switch with dry hands, because the wet hand can also cause the electric shock. Be careful while climbing up and getting down the stairs. Whenever you are using the stairs, always move on the stairs carefully. Do not go near hot iron, gas stove, heater and oven. You can hurt. Always take any medicine from an adult and not on your own. Whenever you are to take the medicine, then always ask to your elders, then take the medicine. The wrong medicine can make you sick. So this was the rules that you are to follow at your home. Now there are some rules that you are to follow at school. Never stand on the chair or desk, otherwise you will fall down and get hurt. Do not run while using the stairs. I have already told you that when you are using the stairs, always move carefully, otherwise you can hurt yourself. If your feet will slip, then you will hurt yourself and maybe others too. Use a dustbin to throw waste. Do not spill water on the floor. You should not spill the water on the floor, otherwise anyone can slip. Do not throw the waste out of the dustbin. Always try to throw the waste into the dustbin. It looks tidy. Use the sharpener to sharp your pencil. Always try to use the sharpener to sharp the pencil. Do not use blade. Never run carrying a school bag. Do not keep your hand close to the classroom window, otherwise your finger can hurt. So these were some rules that you are to follow at school. Now some rules that you are to follow in vehicle during traveling. Stand in a queue without pushing to get into the bus. If you are to go into the bus, then try to make a queue and do not push to anyone. Get out of a bus or car only after it has stopped. Do not come out or do not get out of the bus while moving. Do not put your head or arm out of a moving vehicles. It can be harmful for you. Sit quietly in the bus without disturbing the driver. Wear the seat belt while seated in a car. You know that this is a rule that when you are sit in a car, then you must use the seat belt. Do not open the door when the vehicle is moving. So these were some safety rules while traveling. So this was the first part of the chapter. I hope that you must have learned many things. So we will meet in the second part of the chapter. Till then, good day.